Hey everyone, we just received another product from AliExpress to review. Let's open it up and discover what we received this time. Okay, say hello to the Dehyaton desktop cable clip holder organizer. According to the product description, this item will help you organize your messy wires and cables and stick anywhere you want it. We'll test that out, but first let's check if the product came as described without any missing pieces or damages. As you will see, this product is not brand new. You'll see here at this area there's a scratch. Looks like it's been glued back. We're not sure, but it's for sure not a brand new product. And that is very disappointing to find out right before we check the functionality to see if it works. Use your imagination and imagine that this clip is actually stick to the table. And what we're doing is that we're checking to see how the cables slide in, how many cables we can fit in, and how the layout would look like after it's been inside. Based on this video review, we rank this product as a